Welcome back to Deck Trains, a series where we look at a different train set from the collection each week. This is week 81, and it's a small world after all. A three-peat of something totally different. We've done this twice before, week 33 and week 45 with different manufacturers. It's time for a little Orient Express, pun intended. So, creeping out from behind a static display of an old HO Revell Orient Express set made up of a Class 18 steamer, a CIWL Sleeper, CIWL Diner, and a CIWL Pullman, we're going to find the moving train for this week. It's going to be a Minitrix 11017 set. But real quick wrap up on the static model. The DRG Class 18 locomotive, there was only 10 units of that built between 17 and 1918. It was a Great War locomotive. It had a top speed of 120 kilometers per hour. That's almost 75 miles an hour. 9 of them survived in the DDR until 1961, and all were retired by 1968. Today's moving train is a Class 17, the one built right before it. So, we're going to have this 460 Class 17 from the DRG pulling a set of 5 CIWL wagons, 2 baggage, 2 sleeper, 1 restaurant. The original Class 17 was built between 1903 and 1907, originally for the Bavarian State Railways. Maffei of Germany built 39 of them with a top speed of 110 kilometers per hour, and that's almost 69 miles an hour. And our N scaler here ran at 50% power, 95.3 kilometers per hour, so it was really whipping around the track. It was tough to keep it reined in. Oh, by the way, that's almost 60 miles an hour. Retirement for the series began in 1932, but they were still running through World War II, and we find 21 survived that conflict. All were withdrawn by 1948. I can find no listing of examples in preservation outside of a single unit in Darmstadt, but there are various videos of other locomotives running around on YouTube that fit the same classification. Our track for N scale is the Fleischmann Piccolo track. Its sections that are the straightaways are 222 millimeters. It's an R2 curve, so it's not supposed to look too bad running around the curve. So, you want more description on Orient Express, see week 45. And week 45 features the UF French Orient Express set, and week 33 features a Fleischmann Orient Express set. Well, we're going to look at a number of N-scale locos and rolling stock over the next couple of weeks. All the future ones are going to be It's a Small World After All. Tune in next week for a trip across the pond for a Pennsylvania Railroad K4 and some freight. Thanks for watching, folks. Hope everybody's healthy.